Focus, please. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's LaLa World here. So I've been talking about a package that's coming in the mail today. And eBay sent me a notification that it's been delivered to the house, but it hasn't been here. It's not delivered to the house. So there's two ways that the mail can come through. So we have the post little boxes, like the post office, which has like where the post mail post, something like that, and it has like a few, like it's little lockers, you know those type of things, you know what I mean. So we're gonna go and check that because the package came today, and it's a lot of 9 Mini Lalaloopsies. That's my grandma. Sorry about that rush. It's just that it's about to be a storm outside. It's like very dark. It's only 5 p.m. So we're at the mail now, and my grandma went to go check if it's here. So I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Guys, it's here! Oh my god, look! She came back with the package. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Look at that! Okay guys, so I've got the package in my hand. We're gonna go home and unbox it. I cannot wait to get my minis. It's upside down right now because the address is on that side, but I cannot wait. Okay. Eek! Alright, well let's go home and unbox it. Okay guys, we're at the house. Sorry about my, yeah, let's go. We're here. To open the door. Okay guys, so we've got the eBay package here. We have to unbox it now. We've got crumbs with us. We've got our scissors. Now we just had to snip up the tape on each side. And now on this side. I'm trying to be cautious because the address. Oh no, okay. She's gonna keep falling if I sit her down, so I'm just gonna lay her down. Alright, that's crumbs. Alright, now put my scissors right here. Trying not to show my address. Okay. Come on. Oh no, you guys saw my. Okay, you guys saw my address, but I covered it. I fixed it. Everything's fine. Alright, there we go. Keep cutting. Keep on cutting. I'm sorry, I'm just so excited right now. Okay. There we go, we've got something done. Cut through the middle. There we go, we've got something, alright. Alright, here it is. So when we open it up, it looks like this. Holy moly. See if we can see the Lalaloopsies in there. Oh, I can definitely see them. Alright, let's open this up. This is what it looks like. Let's take out all the little peanuts. Sorry, that's what I call them. Oh my gosh, I see them. Okay. Take them out. We've got them in my hands right now. The rest are just peanuts. Let's put all the peanuts in here. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. There we go. We got the Lalaloopsies. And, oh boy, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these for so long, so. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Take them out. Oh my goodness, no way. No way, I'm actually holding one right now. I just dropped it. Okay. Oh my god. Are they really this cute right now? Their heads are so bobbly. This is so... They're so cute. Okay. So I have 2 of them that are mix and match. So these 2 are mix and match. So, as you can tell, the person did warn me about this, though, so it's fine. Okay, there we go. So I'll review them in the. Alright, you guys, so there we go. Alright, so here are the two mix and match. We have her. I think this is the muffin or I think this is the pie girl. I'm not sure. But she has crumbs for Cookie's body, as you can tell. But that's fine. I can still use her like this. And then I have her. I think she's the fairy one or something. Or I think she's the one who likes glitter. I'm not sure, but she's got a different body on as well, as you can tell. I think she has a taffy dress on. I think. I'm not sure, but those are them. We're just gonna set them aside here because I'm not that interested in them. I will be keeping them, but I will be keeping them though, for sure. Alright, well, that's them. Now let's go review the others. So, the first one I have is Suzette La Sweet. I have her in tinies, and now I have her in minis. And their little legs are so wobbly, and her head isn't that wobbly, but I think her head is like, it's a little stiff, but I don't really care. Look how cute it is. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna make so many videos with them. So that's Suzette La Sweet, and they're in good condition, like perfect. So yeah, we got Suzette La Sweet. We have B Spells a Lot, which I'm super excited about. She's very pretty. Her beautiful eyes, you know, it's amazing. I'm so excited because of this. She has a bobbly head and cute little legs, adorable. Oh, she's having a hard time sitting up. That's fine. Oh no, now they're both having a hard time. Okay, we'll lay them like that. Next, we have Scoop's Waffle Cone, and she's adorable. Look at her. So, her little dress is like that. Guys, the air just turned off, so sorry about that loudness, but it just turned off the air. Anyways, so we have Scoop's Waffle Cone, like that. That is completely adorable. Set her down right there. Next, we have her. I think she has a mixed up body. I'm not sure. I don't really know if she has a mixed up body. I don't really know, but I think this is like the pie girl's body. Hold on, is this body hers? Or does she have her own body? I'm not sure, but she's super cute anyways, and this outfit actually matches her. But it's so adorable, you guys. Okay, and the next one is Rosie. I forgot her full name, but this is the nurse one. She's like adorable. I love her. Like, I love her so much. She's so cute. And she has a very bobbly head. And cute little feet, which is so cute, you guys. Like, I love them so much. Okay, so we got that. Next, we've got her. I forgot her name. I think her name is Pixie Flutters, or her name's Pixie Flutters. Or I think Pixie Flutter has green hair? No, I don't remember. I'm sorry, guys. But she's adorable. She sort of has like an outfit like Sunny Side Up's outfit, but yeah. It's adorable. I think she can sit. No, she's not one of them. Alright, but that's adorable. Her head's wobbly. Her legs aren't. Her arms are movable. So that's her. And last but not least, the one I'm very excited about, Pillow Featherbed. So her little onesie is so adorable, you guys. Look at this. Look how cute she is. Like, she's just so adorable. I'm so happy I have these right now. So zoom out and let's show you guys all the ones I got. I think this lot was $27 and $4 in shipping. So around $31 in total, but it's worth it, so it's okay. Well, yeah, you guys. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, because I know for a fact that I did. I can't wait to play with my new friends and make some videos with them for you guys. And honestly, I think this outfit sort of looks cute on her, except the different skin color. And I'm not that happy about this one because I really want her body, but it's fine. She's still cute. They're all adorable, and I'm grateful so much. All right, well, I love you guys, and like and subscribe, and bye.